Hello, Michael Morioka here again with Tritone Picks. There's something that I wanted to discuss as far as majors being the same scale as a minor. To go over that point, what we're going to do here is we're going to stay with the same key that we did in session 1 and session 2, which was A minor, and then of course that's the same as C major. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to play the first position A minor pentatonic scale for you. And everybody knows that scale. Then what I discussed before was if you went to this second note in the pentatonic and played position 2, it also becomes position 1 of the major. So this would be C major pentatonic. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to play the minor in A, and I'm going to drop this root down to A also. So I'm going to play A minor and A major right over the top of each other. And it sounds like this. So if you notice, there's obviously difference in notes, and that is the second position of F sharp minor, because here is this scale A minor, here's the second position, which is C major, here is A major, and so its first position would be what? F sharp minor. So now you can see, whereas these, you just slide around the guitar neck. The other thing I didn't discuss was, I did discuss that you need to know these 5 positions of the minor very well before you go on to the majors. You have to know the names of the notes on the string. That's just a give me, okay? So it's going to help you with your chords, with your scales, with anything that you need. At least learn the low E string and the A string, and be able just to hit a note and know what it is. Without that, we're kind of lost. So anyway, learn that. First 2 notes, open strings, and the notes on them. E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. And then on the A string we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. Get those down so that you don't have to think about them, and all of this will become a lot easier. Until next time.